In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to list your hotel on booking.com. Let's begin. So once you've logged into booking.com, you're going to go to the top right and you're going to select list your property. So under register for free, look for a button which says get started now. So here you're going to be asked to create your partner account. So you'll have to enter in your email address and then select continue. Or if you have an account already, simply head over to the bottom and select sign in. So after you've logged in, it's going to say welcome back your name. Now under that, you're going to see a link which says create new listing. Simply select that. So it says here, list your property on booking.com and start welcoming guests in no time. So we have different options: apartments, homes, hotel, B&Bs, and more, or alternative places. Select hotel, B&Bs, and more. So go to the bottom and select list your property. So there's going to be a huge list and a huge category of different places in which you can list. So we are looking for hotel and it's going to be the first option here. Select it, then go to the bottom and select continue. It'll ask how many hotels are you listing? One hotel with one or multiple rooms that guests can book, or multiple hotels with one or multiple rooms that guests can book. I'm going to say one hotel with one or multiple rooms. Select continue. From here, it's going to ask you to double check that you have everything listed correctly. So it's going to say you're listing that specific place, one hotel where guests can book a room. Does this sound like your property? If not, then you can make some changes by going to the bottom and selecting no, I need to make a change. If you're happy with everything, select continue. Next, it'll ask you where your property is located. If you want to find the place, head over to the search bar where it says start typing your address. I'm going to say Dubai. Then apartments or floor number. Please keep in mind that this is optional. I'm going to put the number 6, then country region. If you want to make a change to the country, head over to the right side and select the drop-down option, then choose another country of your choice. Then you'll be asked to enter in the zip code. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and select continue. Here you're going to be asked to connect to a channel manager. If you have one, then you can select yes, I'll connect this listing to my channel manager. If you don't have a channel manager, simply select no, then select continue. You're going to be asked to give in more details about your hotel, such as what is the property name? I'm going to call this one Jacob Hotel. And what is the star rating for your hotel? Either 1 star, 2 stars, or not applicable. So I'm going to say 5 stars. Are you a property management company or part of a group or chain? If so, you can select yes. If not, select no. So if you do select yes, then you're going to have to enter in the name of the company, group, or chain. But I'm going to select no, then select continue. What can guests use at your hotel? So there's going to be a huge list of things that you can choose that's going to be included within the property. If it has a restaurant, you can tick that, a bar, room service, 24-hour front desk, sauna, garden, terrace, and so on. Bear in mind, if you don't find the facility that you want to list, all you have to do is you need to complete the listing first. Then afterwards, you're going to be given a larger list where you can add in other facilities of your choice. So go to the bottom, select continue. Next, services at your property. Do you serve guests breakfast? Yes or no? Select yes. Is breakfast included in the price guests pay? Yes, it's included, or no, it costs extra. What type of breakfast do you offer? So you're going to choose here American, Asian, and so on. I'm going to say breakfast to go. Parking. Is parking available to guests? Yes, free, yes, paid, or no. So I'm going to say yes, free. Do guests need to reserve a parking spot? Yes, reservation is needed. Where is the parking located? On site or off site? I'm saying on site. And what type of parking is it? Private or public? I'm going to leave it on private, then select continue. What languages do you or your staff speak? I'm going to say English. And if you want to add in more languages, go to this link here where it says add additional languages. Then choose something else, such as Chinese or Croatian, and so on. Once you're happy, go to the bottom, select continue. Then house rules. What are your check-in and check-out times? Check-in, you can choose which time until what other time. Then check-out, from which time to what other time. Do you allow children? Yes or no. Do you allow pets? Yes, upon request, or no. Now, upon request means that the specific client or the person who's going to be staying at that hotel must request to bring their pet over, and you could either grant access for the pet to stay at the hotel or not. So I'm going to leave it as no. Then go to the bottom, select continue. Here, you're going to have to enter in the property details. So the property details have been complete, and now we just have to add in some rooms, and that's going to be step 2. So head over to the right side, select add room. So here, what type of unit is it? Select the drop-down option. Is it a single, double, twin? Your choice. I'm going to say double. How many rooms of this type do you have? I'm going to leave it as 1. What beds are available in this room? I'm going to say twin beds. Full beds, queen beds, or king beds. And if you want more bed options, select this link here, and then you're going to have more options, such as bunk bed, sofa bed, and then futon beds. How many guests can stay in this room? I'm going to leave it as 2. How big is this room? The room size, it is optional, and if you want to change the measurements, head over to the right side, select the drop-down option, and choose square meters or square feet. Is smoking allowed in this room? I'm going to leave it as no. Go to the bottom and select continue. Is the bathroom private? Yes or no, it's shared. I'm going to say yes. What bathroom items are available in this room? We have toilet paper, shower, toilet, hairdryer, and so on. What can guests use in this room? Clothes rack, flat screen TV, air conditioning, and other options. Then outdoors and views. So now you have to choose, is there a balcony, terrace, or a view? I'm going to leave it as there's a balcony. Then food and drinks. There is tea, coffee maker, dining table, microwave, then select continue. What's the name of this room? So here where it says room name, select the drop-down option, and then choose from a variety of different names. Deluxe double room with bath. This is the name that guests will see on your property page. Select continue at the bottom. Set the price per night for this room. Bear in mind that you have to make your prices competitive because many clients or many people who are going to stay at hotels or B&Bs, they are generally going to look for cheaper prices compared to more expensive ones. How much do you want to charge per night? I'm going to say $200. This is going to include taxes, commission, and fees, and then booking.com commission. So there's 24/7 help in your language, save time with automatically confirmed bookings, and we promote your place on Google. So those are all the things that are included. And that's how much you're going to earn after taxes, commission, and fees. Select continue. Then rate plans. To attract a wider range of guests, we suggest setting up multiple rate plans. So there's the standard rate plan in which you can edit, so you can select edit if you want. So 1 guest, there's going to be a 10% discount, or 2 guests, 0% discount. You could either enable this if you want. Then there's the cancellation policy, then non-refundable rate plan, then weekly rate plan. Select continue at the bottom. So after you're done, step 3 is to add in pictures of the hotel. So head over to photos and select add photos. Then you can simply just drag and drop the photos in here. Bear in mind only JPG, JPEG, or PNG images are allowed. Another thing to keep in mind is that you need a minimum of 5 images to be able to continue. So once you have all your pictures, go to the bottom and select continue. Then final steps, head over to the right side and select add final details. How can guests pay for their stay? Either by credit card at my property or online. And there's going to be some benefits if you choose online, such as fewer cancellations, fraud and card protection, and more payment options for your guests. How payments by booking.com works, and it's going to give you details. And then the payment charge, then select continue. Then invoicing, what name should be on the invoice, either your name or the name of the hotel, or the legal company name. Does this recipient have the same address as your property? Select yes or no. I'm going to leave it as yes. Then select continue once more. Then tell us your license or registration number. That is going to say that there's some important info before you list your property on booking.com. Go to the bottom and select continue. So once everything is checked out, go to the bottom and select complete registration. And it says that's it. You've done everything you need to before your guest stays. Go to the bottom, then select these 2 checkboxes. I certify that this is a legitimate accommodation business with all necessary licenses, and I have read and accepted to the general delivery terms. Then select complete registration and open for bookings. And then we just have to wait a little bit because it's setting everything up for you. And that's that. And you're going to see this little green box which says open/bookable. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.